Welcome back. In the previous episode, we covered the high-level essentials of IPS. I'm Eitan Sofer of Check Point's technical marketing team, and in this video, I would like to walk you through the configuration of Adaptive IPS, which is a new option within the IPS feature configuration. Let's open the Security Management console, go to Gateways and Servers, and then select the relevant security gateway. To start working in Adaptive IPS mode, we first need to activate the IPS blade itself. When activating IPS, you have two options: Detect and According to Policy. In Detect mode, IPS will alert you on any potential dangers but take no active measures. For this reason, we will choose the According to Policy option. Next, we will go to the IPS configuration window from the menu on the left, where your previous selection is recorded. Note that after enabling the IPS blade, you must configure profiles that determine how protections are applied across your environment. These profiles let you adjust inspection and prevention behavior according to your network's security and performance requirements. IPS profiles are security policy sets that define how traffic is inspected and threats are handled. They balance protection and performance, ranging from basic to strict levels, allowing administrators to choose the best fit for their needs. We have now enabled IPS. We can proceed to activating and configuring Adaptive IPS. Back to the IPS tab in the Firewall object on the left menu. The next step would be to enable the Adaptive IPS here, where you will find two options. The first option is Disable Top CPU Consuming Protections for, and following that is a field in which you can set the period the feature will be disabled for in hours. This is Adaptive IPS. Choosing the option will ensure system stability and performance by temporarily disabling only the protections that consume the most CPU resources, while keeping all other protections active, allowing the IPS to continue functioning effectively. The number of hours can be modified and presents the time period in which those CPU-consuming protections will be disabled. After this period ends, the protections will be re-enabled automatically. The system will re-enable one protection at a time while monitoring the CPU to ensure it doesn't cause an overload again. The second option is Disable all IPS protections until the CPU and memory levels are back to normal operating parameters. This is basically a full bypass mode, which will disable all IPS protections for the duration of the overload. This leaves us with the Advanced button on the right. Click it to adjust the CPU and memory usage thresholds. Just remember that the guidelines you set here will impact the functionality of IPS and Adaptive IPS features. You may modify them based on your needs. After enabling the Adaptive IPS and its relevant values, make sure to install policy to apply the changes on the firewall and environment. We are now ready to dive deeper into the technical details of Adaptive IPS's configuration. Let's start with how it is done with CLI, Command Line Interface, and then by using Gaia API. Stay tuned or look for more technical video series on our TechPoint Central YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.